Let's dive deeper into the new update related to Twitter mode, both for Solana and EVM. Let's start from task creation, where we went from 3 modes to 5 modes. The modes are respectively the scanner, which works as a trigger for tasks when a contract address appears in a tweet from the tracked account. The fields are similar to previous versions, but we've made some improvements. The setup is really simple. Just fill in the details. You can choose whether to trigger the task only via tweet, retweet, reply, or quote. Max buy count indicates the maximum number of buys for this task. You can use the OCR, which is the contract address recognition in images. Then we have some expandables, so the task timing, when to start the task, and when to stop it automatically. Filters are also available, like the minimum market cap and maximum. The minimum age, which can be set in seconds, minutes, hours, or days, and the max age through the same dropdown. The whole settings section covers the fees, so the slippage in percentage, the priority fee, and the processor tip to speed up the transaction. And then using anti-MEV, you can enable or disable it, and the auto tip, which is the automatic tip. You can select platforms individually, so yes, you can select them or deselect them all at once. Of course, you can also assign auto orders. There are some pre-made orders here, and you can assign them. You can assign a group of orders. For example, in this case, we also introduced a new feature that explains how this task works. And if there are any main parts missing, it suggests what to do by showing the errors in red. Let's move on to engagement, where the task triggers when the tracked account replies, retweets, or quote tweets a specific tweet. Same process. Here we'll also enter the ID of the tweet it interacted with, the token address, and then the amount, the target action, and the other fields that repeat, including the out orders. Moving on to follow unfollow, where the task triggers when the target account performs a follow or unfollow action, and you can decide whether to make a transaction of buy. So, if it follows someone, a buy transaction or a sell transaction. The additional fields are the same, so task timing and fill settings. Here you can choose either follow or unfollow or individually. We have post and replies, so when the tracked account posts, replies, retweets, or quote tweets. Here you can also enter, in this case, the original poster, meaning the account that originally posted the tweet. We can decide whether to buy, sell, and here are the various target actions, which can be selected all at once or individually. We're introducing a new text keywords field where we can enter keywords that trigger the task individually or separated by a comma, like, for example, crypto, Trump, USA, and so on. The last mode is tweet delete. So when a tweet gets deleted, the task triggers, and here too you can choose whether to buy or sell. The additional fields are always the task timing and fees settings in this case too. Then we have the explanation, and in this case it will pick up the name of the token based on the contract address. All these actions can be done in bulk too, both in scanner, engagement, follow/unfollow, post and replies. And to do the bulk creation, you'll need to enter the various tweet handles one by one, like in this case. And then you'll be taken to the bulk creation with all the fields, of course.